Hello everyone, this is Mohammed. I am Java trainer in JSpiders Punjagutta. Here we have Maheswari who got recently placed in a company and she will introduce herself.
Hello everyone, myself Maheswari. I recently completed my graduation from B.TECH group of institutions which is in Hyderabad with 72%.
Okay, when you joined here?
I was joined in the month of February. Actually, I am an incubation student. I got this offer in the month of November. So they conduct aptitude test and then interview. So I was selected for this. So it is free of cost. I am an incubation student.
Very good. Okay, so it's been 6 months here. So maximum you have finished all the subjects, maximum. Okay, so here after every class did you attend the presentations?
Yes, I went through every presentation class without fail because it helps me a lot, which helps me in communication skills, many things, and I was interact with many people where are from Odisha and Chennai, so it helps me to communicate with many types of people.
Very good. Okay, and grooming sessions do you attended before going for the interviews? How these grooming sessions help you to crack the interview?
The grooming sessions are very helpful for each and everyone because in the grooming session, the trainers will teach us what was the pattern of the exam, what was the interview, what was the syllabus of the exam they will say. So this type of things they will say in grooming. So I was attending many grooming sessions.
And it helped you?
Thanks so much.
Until joining?
19th August 2024.
Very good. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Very good.